Granny and I are on a little hike. I don't know where we are. We're on road 8533. We're going to Niagara Falls, but they are closed. The trail's closed. So we found a bridge and we're walking around in a little meadow. Granny just slipped. We could. Or we could walk over there. Let's walk this way. There, sweetie. Yeah. And yeah. Good job. Okay, now step where my foot is. There. Good one. Good. Good. It is a little trail. I bet you people go swimming here, maybe. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mom.
Way back toward. Those would be some good climbing trees. And we're going back to the Xterra. Oh. Hey, Franny. That is a sign that we are going to Niagara Falls, and the trail was closed when we got up there. And this is the other end of it, road 8533. We're going left. We don't know where we're going. I believe these are Stony Mountain Falls. We're on Bible Creek Road heading back to Willamina. Say something, Fran. Are we having a good day? There you go.
This is Stony Mountain Falls. Here is the big mountain. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
We've been searching and searching for it.
These aren't the falls we were going to, but this will do.
Look.